Do you know this dragon boat is made by the huge equipment behind me, the multi-head laser cutting and blanking automatic production line? In the sheet metal processing field, this automatic production line is capable of turning coils into cars.
Multi-head laser cutting and blanking automated production lines are widely used in industries such as automobile manufacturing, engineering machinery, and sheet metal processing. This technology eliminates traditional molding and stamping processes. With drawings, high flexibility processing can be achieved. This equipment adopts 6x19 roller leveling machine and is equipped with laser distance measurement devices, achieve precise leveling. All core components are developed independently by HGTECH, staying a leading position in the entire industry. The cutting area is equipped with 2 cutting heads, increasing production efficiency by more than double compared to a single head. For different needs, we can also customize 3 or even 4 cutting heads. The cutting speed is extremely fast. For door rings, we achieve precise cutting for each component through optimized equipment structure and control programs, remaining at the forefront in developing new technologies. Because of our independently developed advanced nesting software, there is very little waste material after cutting. It combines and cuts various shapes of components to minimize material loss. Control system enables swift adaptation of product specifications and shapes to achieve batch production. Besides, our cutting and blanking automated production line supports modular customization, capable of expanding into 6 automated units, significantly reducing manual labor intensity.